Can't see waiting again. So here we go, stage number 1. We just left the glacier exit. We wanted to actually go and fly off this mountain behind us here, which is sitting in the cloud. But now we're gonna go try this one here, which sits in the cloud too. So when we brought our wings, at least the valleys here we can see. See if we are gonna be happy enough to fly off. So here we go, on the summit. It's a bit colder. Can't see shit. We give it a few more minutes. Eating a few more muffins. Muffins and a beer. And a beer.